Welcome to your very first Soothing Pod meditation. In this session, we'll explore how to start our mindfulness journey by getting to know what meditation is all about. Some of you may be here because of stress or anxiety. Maybe you'd like to learn how to focus your mind or how to improve the quality of your sleep. Or perhaps you've simply heard of the wonderful benefits meditation can have on your overall well-being. Whatever your motivation is, we're glad you're here. Many of the world's most influential people, ranging from actresses to leaders and CEOs, like Oprah Winfrey, Bill Gates, and Jennifer Aniston, are known for practicing meditation in their daily lives. In fact, many scientific studies have demonstrated that meditation has a long list of incredible short and long-term effects on our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Some of these benefits include improving memory, developing empathy, curbing negative thinking, reducing stress, diminishing inflammation, and living longer, healthier lives. Mindfulness is a form of meditation that uses simple tools to bring ourselves back into the current moment. Mindfulness is helpful in our day-to-day lives when we find ourselves rushing from one thing to the next, overwhelmed with our to-do list, or grappling with the pressures of perfectionism. It teaches us to tune into whatever is happening right here, right now, so that we learn to be present rather than being caught up in the past or the future. So let's begin. Take a moment to sit comfortably with a nice long spine and gently close your eyes. Now turn your attention to your breath and just notice yourself breathing. Notice as your body is inhaling and observe yourself exhaling. If you're not used to watching your breath, it can be helpful to place your hands on your belly. Note the feeling of your belly expanding as you breathe in and softly releasing as you breathe out. And if this is your first time, it's normal to feel unsure. There really is no right or wrong way to do this. Just stay with your breath as it moves in and out. Notice your body breathing. It is completely normal for your mind to wander as you get distracted. Remember, we are here to learn how to be present, and acknowledging our thoughts is part of the journey. So, when you catch yourself lost in thought, drop any judgments and just guide yourself back again and again to your breath. Notice your inhales. Notice your exhales. And now, take a few seconds to notice how you feel. Again, there's no right answer here. You're just developing your sense of awareness. When you're ready, take a deep breath in, get a sense of your body in space, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Congratulations! You've just completed your very first meditation. I hope you've enjoyed this session. We're looking forward to having you back here tomorrow.